Assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back and let's talk about Solana today. And I think Solana is in no man's land right now. I don't even know what is the support in here, right? It's so, random right now. You just have like choppy daily sideways, and I think this is if manipulation had a face, this is how it would actually look like. You have random wick down, you have some random pumps, we don't even know what's going on. Maybe it feels sometimes like a head and shoulder, sometimes it feels as if this is a bull flag to continue even higher, and then you go into the middle and then you drop down. The best manipulated coin right now, and the reason is obviously because a lot of people actually trade Solana, and the market maker has his own reason to just pump and dump however he likes to. Wherever the liquidity is actually going to be, he will be pushing it up. It's almost like BNB. Even BNB just is very random, but BNB is actually manipulated. Like, if you ask anyone about BNB, it's super manipulated. But there's only one place that I think right now Solana has a logic to it, and that is the monthly. So monthly EMA shows that we're bouncing off this 20, at least for now, because the 20 EMA is the only thing that is coming to save the day. Now previously we did go a little bit below the 20, and then you start to pump back up again. It does look like you're coming down to the 20, and in November, in the next 23 days, if you just still hold above $160, then I do believe you could be good to go to the upside. Okay, so monthly as well, since we're speaking about the monthly, I think we're struggling to break above the monthly resistance right over here, and that's the whole plan right now. As I told you, the daily is too manipulated, but the monthly makes a lot of sense right now, right? So we have a couple of rejection. This was the first one, went down, huge crash. Second one, rejection, another one, and then another one. So I'm hoping we don't get to see a huge crash like this, the way it happened previously, especially if a bear market starts, which is actually kind of hard right now for a bear market for altcoin. Altcoin never had a bull run, so I don't really think we're going to have a bear market, at least for now. Time is still there, but what I do actually want to say is that we need to see a break above here, break above it, and we should actually start to move higher. I'm actually going to lower this down like this and try to see if you do break where which is the price target you can achieve here. So if you go from there to there, I think like a $437, $435 could be on the cards if you just turn off that logarithmic scale. So that on the monthly does feel like, for some reason, this is a huge cup going on, and it feels like a handle that is actually breaking, you know. Man, I just figured it out. I think for me personally, I kind of have a feeling we actually made this handle. It really makes sense. I mean, come on, this does clearly look like a nice good cup right over there, right? Stretched a little bit, and then you have this handle. Yeah, it is a cup and handle, man. On the monthly, it's actually a cup and handle, which means we should be looking at, you know, that $437 or something like that. Now, just because you have a cup and handle doesn't mean that you're on the journey to go up here. We still need to break above that resistance. The only thing that is going to separate from the success or the failure of the cup and handle is if we go up here, break it, retest, and become successful to actually go up to the upside. On the lower time frame, however, I think we're starting to reverse a little. People are scared right now, and as far as Solana goes, I think we're starting to break the downtrend a little bit, or at least we're trying to break the downtrend. So this is a little bit of a downtrend break right there. So it does feel like we could be looking at, you know, a move, at least a small push to 185 in the meantime, because people are too bearish. So I could expect a 20% push to the upside. And that's it for this update today, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love.